How to check current password on Facebook. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner or the top right corner. Once you're in the menu page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once you're in the settings and privacy page, head over to the option Account Center. Now click on Password and Security. Click on the option Change Password. Click on your Facebook username. Facebook won't directly show you your current password for security reasons, but it will show you when the password was last updated. This might jog your memory if you recently changed it. Or else you can click on Forget your password and recover it. If you still can't remember it, let's head over to Phone Settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of Passwords. Here, every password saved on your iPhone is stored. Simply search for Facebook, tap on it, and right under your username, you'll see your saved password. Now you know your current password. Now heading towards last option, if you use Google Chrome, launch your Chrome app. Click on three dots given at the bottom right corner. Now click on the option Password Manager. Your Face ID will be enabled or you'll need to type in your phone's passcode. Now here you're going to find the list of website. Head over to the website Facebook, click on it. With that, you're going to find the website link, likewise username and the password. And that's it. These are 3 simple ways to check your current Facebook password without the hassle of resetting it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.